You know, insurance covers hospital bills, but what if you don't want allopathy? What if you prefer Ayurveda, homeopathy, or naturopathy? Can insurance still help you? Yes, but only if you understand how Ayush coverage works. Hello everyone, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. In today's episode of Health Insurance 101, we're explaining how Ayush treatments are covered under your health insurance policy. And if you're considering alternative treatments and want to check if your policy supports it, book a free call with Ditto. We'll help you figure it out. The link is in the description and our services are completely free to you. So first, what is Ayush? Ayush stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Ayush. These are India's officially recognized alternative medical systems supported by Ministry of AYUSH. And yes, they are covered under most comprehensive health insurance plans today. How did this become standard? You might be wondering. IRDAI made it mandatory for insurers to include AYUSH benefits in group and individual policies. Since then, most retail health plans have included it as a built-in feature. But here's the fine print. To claim Ayush treatments, the hospital must be recognized by the government or accredited by NABH or NABL. The treatment must be inpatient and medically necessary. The hospital should have at least 5 beds, a qualified Ayush doctor, and maintain daily treatment records. So, under Ayush, what is covered? Ayurveda detox therapies, which is also called as Panchakarma, homeopathy for chronic conditions, Siddha or Unani treatments, Naturopathy and yoga, but only when done as a part of a recognized inpatient program. Now, what is not covered in Ayush? OPD consultations at local clinics, spa treatments, wellness retreats or casual yoga sessions, any Ayush therapy done at an uncertified center, cosmetic, experimental or recreational use of Ayush, well, these are not allowed. Some policies may also cap Ayush expenses. For example, they may limit claims to 25% of your sum insured or up to 50,000 rupees. But many new age plans cover Ayush up to the base full sum insured. When is Ayush actually useful? Managing chronic illnesses like asthma, arthritis or psoriasis, detox and long-term lifestyle correction, pain relief and rehabilitation after surgery, and when you're looking for a non-allopathic route to wellness. Now, here are some Ditto pro tips. Always confirm hospital accreditation before admission. Keep all prescriptions, discharge summaries and bills. Check with your insurer if cashless is possible or go in for reimbursement later. Now, what's the final word? It empowers policyholders with more treatment choices, particularly for chronic, long-term or non-emergency conditions through recognized alternative therapies. However, to fully benefit from this feature, one must clearly understand the eligibility criteria, policy limits and the requirement for treatments to be conducted in accredited Ayush facilities. And folks, it's also important to note that Ayush claims may undergo more detailed scrutiny given the relatively uncommon and specialized nature of such treatments within insurance portfolios. Anyways, if you still want help choosing whether your current policy covers Ayush or want to compare plans that do, book a free call with Ditto. We'll walk you through it. And folks, in the next episode, we'll cover maternity benefits and explain when and how much your policy will actually pay. If you like this video, please share it with someone who's getting an Ayush treatment soon, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.